There's two issues here for Airbus. First of all, there was the software fix that was initiated from an airworthiness directive out of Europe on Friday. We'll talk about that in a little bit. But the news this morning, some people might be waking up and saying, wait a second, there's another issue with the A320? Yes, this was first reported by Reuters early this morning out of Europe, and it has to do with the manufacturing quality of some of the fuselage panels for A320s that are in production. In production is key here because there's no indication that this has impacted any A320s that have already been delivered. Airbus issuing a statement to us within the last hour saying Airbus is taking a conservative approach and is inspecting all aircraft potentially impacted, knowing that only a portion of them will need further action to be taken. As you take a look at shares of Airbus, remember what really drives shares, not just for Airbus, but for Boeing, really for any of the companies when you're looking at the aviation manufacturing space, it's deliveries. The guidance for this year, approximately 820 planes. They have not changed their guidance. Through October, Airbus has delivered 695 planes. The concern is that they're going to come down from 820, and that's why you see shares of Airbus under some pressure here. Also, take a look at American, Delta, United. The reason we're showing you these guys is that on Friday, they were impacted by the airworthiness directive that said, look, there's an issue with the software for A320s that must be immediately updated before these aircraft can go back in the air. There was concern on Friday that you might see widespread cancellation of flights because of aircraft that were having the software updated. But guys, most of the aircraft, 6,000 worldwide, most of them have had that software update completed, including American, Delta, United here in the United States. So a limited, very limited impact for those airlines. But nonetheless, all of this raises quality concern questions when it comes to Airbus.